Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the basics quickly. Confirm the exact email and phone tied to your eBay account and open the suspension notice. Note the case ID. Once done, gather supporting documents, photo ID, order invoices, tracking numbers, payment receipts, and any 90-day sales history that proves compliance. Make sure to save PDFs and screenshots. Name files clearly. You'll need these immediately when you contact eBay or respond via the Resolution Center. So prepare them now to avoid delays. You now craft and submit the formal appeal. Log into eBay, go to the Resolution Center or the provided appeal form, and paste a concise cover note. Explain why suspension occurred, admit any mistakes, and list the corrective actions you implemented, inventory controls, refund policy changes, or staff training. Attach the proofs you prepared, include invoice and tracking numbers, and outline a clear timeline for remediation. Make sure to be polite and professional. eBay reviews concrete plans faster than vague promises. You finish by actively following up. If you haven't heard back in 48 to 72 hours, contact eBay with the case ID and request status. Once resolved, confirm account function and monitor for alerts. If your appeal is denied, ask for the exact policy citation, fix the specific violations, and submit a focused re-appeal. Troubleshooting tip: if progress stalls, escalate via phone support or eBay's social media channels, and always keep detailed communication logs so you can reference dates and agent names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.